Hello, you're welcome to New Focus Approach to Mathematics Basic 7, and this is revised edition. And in this video, we want to learn how to organize data from survey onto frequency table. And then later, we'll also learn how to represent this data using other formats. This lesson can be found in page 341. Right now, we are going to have data, and then we'll learn how to put this data into frequency table. Now, the first question here says that prepare a frequency table for the marks distribution for mathematics test in a basic 7 class. And so here we have students in a class, probably your class, and after doing test, probably the test was marked over 10, and individual students score the following marks. So how do we do this? So we are going to now put them into the table. Now this is our score, our tally, and our frequency. Now score becomes the score that individual score. The tally helps us to do the counting without mixing any number, and the frequency tells us the number of times a particular score occurred. And so in a class, how many students had 1 mark and how many students had 2 marks, and so on and so forth. So we have 1 mark, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, it's 1 to 10, right? So I just list all the numbers without looking at whether they are there or not. If they're not there, the tally will help me to know. So let's go. Let's see. So right now I'm just marking out 2. So when I mark 2, I make a mark. When I mark 3, I make a mark. It's better than you searching for all 2's in the data or searching for all 1's in the data. There you can easily mix it. So you mark them one after the other. So 6, then I make a mark for 6. 2, I come back to 2. 1, I make a mark for 1. 5, I make a mark for 5. 7, I make a mark for 7. 8, I make a mark for 8. 9, I make a mark for 9. 6, I come back to 6 again. 3, 1, 10, 9. So you see what I'm going through. In this case, it will be difficult to mix any of the numbers. 6, 7, 6 again, 6 again. Now I've gotten 4 for 6, and the 5th one I'll cross it. That is how we do the tally. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, 7, 7 again. Then I cross that. 5, 10, 2, 4, 9, 3, 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 2, I cross 2, then 7. So now with the help of tally, I will now know that my frequency for those who had 1 in the class is 2. Those who had 2 marks in the class, 5. Then we have 4, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4, 3, 2. So that is how we answer this question. Good. So this is our frequency distribution table. Frequency distribution table. Now let's take another example and see. Here we say prepare frequency table for the marks distribution for a mathematics test again in basic 7 class. And in basic 7 class, so once again, let's say we have our score starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we go again. 1, we mark. 3, we mark. So in this case, we can do this easily without mixing any number, and that is why the tally is very, very important. Okay, 5, 8, 9, 7, 4, 5, 6, 8. Also take note that when you are given a frequency table straight away, there's no need introducing tally. Tally is always important when the question is given to you in a raw data form like I have now. All right, so we are done with it. Now, once again, we introduce our frequency. So 1 appear 3 times, 2 appear 3 times, 3 appear 4, 4, and here we have 5 and 3, so that's 8, 5, 4, 4, 3, 2. So that is how we represent raw data using frequency distribution table. I'm sure this lesson has given you understanding of this concept. Thanks so much for watching.